don't know about the rest of you moms out there, but for me, for Mother's Day, there's not really much I want. I want to be able to hold my kids and my husband and hug them close, but other than that, I really don't want more stuff. All I want for Mother's Day is a glass of rosé. Okay, maybe a bottle. So here is my ode to rosé. My viewers have asked, what is rosé, what pairs well with rosé, and what are the different kinds of rosé? So here it is. First, a rosé is a wine that is pink in color, kind of like this beautiful thing here. And the way it becomes pink is that they take the skins of the grape and they use it kind of like a tea bag, where they steep the skins with the juice so it picks up just a little bit of color, unlike a red wine where they would ferment the whole wine with the skins. Got it? So what do you get? You get a delicious wine that is the best of both worlds in my mind. You get the refreshing quality from a white wine and you get to chill it in the fridge and drink it cold, so it's great all summer long, but you also get some of the complexity that you have in a red wine. This is part of what makes it such a great food pairing wine. I recently paired it with taco night for a family Sunday dinner and it was delicious. Really, any grape that makes a red wine could potentially make a rosé. So there are tons and tons of possibilities out there. What I recommend is pick a red wine that you like and try the rosé of it. You could go for more of a classic rosé, which I love, which comes from the south of France, from Provence. There's so much more to the world of rosé, so let me know if you'd like me to do more videos on that. And on behalf of mothers everywhere, let me say, don't show up empty-handed. The greatest last-minute gift you could get anybody, and really the only gift that I want for Mother's Day, is a glass of rosé. Happy Mother's Day.